pretty. That one's still green. Cut. Good. What is it? Yeah. Squash don't make it.
The zucchini?
Yeah.
It didn't make?
Toss. Bad in the one of them. What is it?
No.
I don't know if it's any peppers. I think it's still small. Cut it.
No, it's okay.
There's only two down here.
Okay.
Cut it.
Good job. If you guys remember, Miguel installed this air conditioner, and this is him coming back now to fill in all the cracks, because this one is a little bit smaller than the one that was in there. So he's going to put, what do you call that stuff? Spray insulation, some kind of foam filler. It's called Great Stuff, Gaps and Cracks Fillers. Look like we need to pressure wash the house. There's so much to do all the time. I'll do this slowly. So if this expands and it's too much for the crack, when it dries, then you can take a serrated knife and cut it off and make it even. And when he gets all that, then we can put our trim pieces back over. Nothing is ever easy. Never simple. And there's always something to do. Okay, Miguel did the project around the air conditioner at the house, and he went inside after he did the outside and put that great stuff in every little crack and crevice. And then now when that dries, we can put back all the trim work and get that straightened up. But the project he's doing now is, it's at the end of the season for blueberries, figs, and all. So this is plants that he can't sell. He can hold them over till next year, but since he's trying to get fruits and berries planted, he's going to go ahead, because these roses are dying out. They are 15 years old, knockout roses, 15 years old. So they're dying out. He does not want to replace them. He's going to plant blueberries. He's got fig trees he's planting back there. He's got those blueberries. He's got, I think, 5 blueberries in the pots over there. So this little area will be planted with blueberries and figs, and he'll put down mulch, not mulch, cardboard, and then he'll come back and put down sawdust over that, because blueberries do love sawdust. So no need of us watching him doing all the digging, because that is a chore.
Some that's small. I just put a 3 together.
Yeah, they're very small. They're the smallest ones that he had left. So they're gonna have a new home, even though nobody wanted to buy them and take them home with them. So there won't be any more blueberries for sale until next spring. So we'll be back when he plants them, let you see how nice they look. Miguel is down to the last 2 blueberries. As you can see, he got 3 over there, 3 over there. He's gonna plant this one in front, and then there will be another one in the front over there. He said he needed to get this done today, because tomorrow he'd be busy with his plants. The last plant going in the ground for today. Knowing him, he's going to find plenty more to plant. So there's 3 over there. There is his figs behind. They were little plants. And then he's got 3 over there, and then he's got one on each side of the bird bath. So
I wish I can make the garden like my grandma's.
Yeah. Well,
my grandma worked for years. Every year she plants something.
Yeah. Well, you're kind of that way too. But we'll be back when he sits down to do his little talk. You know, he'll have to come back and do the cardboard and the sawdust, and to complete this project. So he'll be back. Miguel is placing cardboard around the blueberries, figs, the roses that already were here, and getting ready to do his pine straw. But it's so hot right now.
We're gonna put sawdust in it.
Oh, sawdust. Yes, I'm sorry. I said pine straw, but it's sawdust, because blueberries love sawdust. So, so this is a hot job right here. I don't want him out here doing this at this time of day, but I'm not his boss. So when he gets it down, we'll be back and show you how nice it looks. Huh, Miguel?
Yeah. Need to put a few more pieces. Get a few loads of sawdust in the wagon. Put it right there.
All right.
All right, I think I finished doing cardboard. The reason we put a cardboard because they help control weeds. There's not too much weeds coming out. But on top of the cardboard, we're gonna put a sawdust. Blueberries love sawdust, figs, and there right there, it looks blue. There's a little fountain where we put water for the birds have something to drink. We put water down here pretty much every day. There's my plum tree. We have a lot of plums out of this tree that I'm going to trim the tops so next year I'll be able to cut more. Harvest more plums. And that big tree right there is the name is Roger Empress. I bet like 50 or 60 foot tall. Behind that was a big maple, so all those got plenty shade to lie down and get cool. And we also put a fan for them. So we try to treat those, I don't say real good, but if you hot, if you feel hot, your dog is hot too. So we try to make them have the best life down here with us.
Miguel went up to the house and got a little trailer load of sawdust for the blueberries, and he's putting the sawdust over the cardboard, and the cardboard will keep weeds and grass from growing up in between the plants, and be a good mulch, help hold in the moisture. And blueberries, absolutely love it. So be back when he gets some of it on there. This is how many loads is this?
Second one.
This is the second load. And be the final load. And this bed will be done, and these little blueberries and fig trees found them a permanent home. As long as we can keep them watered and take care of them, and we get some berries.
We're probably going to harvest blueberries down here next year.
Yep, be harvesting when they come on again this year. this coming 2023. If we living in the good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. What my mama always said. All right, when it gets done, we'll be back.
Alright, my friends, I'm back down here. I think I'm finished this job. I think I said in the beginning that the blueberries, I can't sell that one because everybody else buy the ones got the blueberries. So I keep holding this one for like 3 or 4 times and nobody else want because they don't got no more blueberries. But I do harvest blueberries out of these ones, even on the pots. And as soon as I can sell, I just put them on the ground down here. And after I put them on the ground, I put cardboard. Then on top of the cardboard, put a sawdust. And the cactus down there in the corner, I'm gonna remove that because when we got it, we only got 2 pieces, small pieces. And I believe we got probably 4 or 5 years ago. And they just get bigger and bigger and just taking more space. So I just gonna take them off and probably give it to somebody else. Some people like cactus. I don't like it too, but they're on my way every time I back my trailer down there. I get too close. If I don't pay attention, I touch that cactus with my leg. But this purple tree down here is a plum tree. And this down here, I'm going to tell you a little story about this little building. It's actually a deck. Well, somebody from a different town, this is actually my wife's brother. He gave it to me. So I just close it all the way around, put the metal roof on top. Like I said in the other videos before, I'm not professional. I'm not call myself carpenter. I don't call myself a plumber. I'm not professional. I just watch people do it and I try. If I made a mistake down here, then I know I don't have to explain to more people. If I made a mistake, I just correct my mistake and keep moving. I just made this little door on the side with a 1x4, I think. Yeah, 1x4. That was like 8 foot long, and I just cut it one end to make it to 6 foot. I did build 2 little steps right there. And in this end, I just put 2 more steps. I'll probably later, maybe next year, I can finish this like this part right here. I'll probably put it all the way to right there, to the steps, or maybe all the way to the corner. I'm not sure yet. It has to be probably next year. Well, right there, the little greenhouse. I don't raise too many plants, so this one is big enough for me. Last year, I got a lot of plants die because I was in the hospital. On the 2020, I got plants. I'm planning to raise a lot of plants, and you don't ever know what's going to happen next day. I have a bunch of plans, a lot of things I want to do on the 2020. And one of it was raise more plants in this greenhouse. Well, God got all the plans for me. So 2021, that's when I have the stroke. And on February 19, 2021. And the rest of the year, from February all the way to close to Christmas in 2021, I was in and out of the hospital. Well, this is the other raised bed, not raised bed, flower bed. We got 1 fig right there. Few more blueberries right there. And this one down here,
Persimmon.
there's a persimmon tree. Well, I hope you like watching our videos. If you do, don't forget like, share, and subscribe. I hope I encourage anyone to do a little bit at a time. So if you do a little bit at a time, you know, get so stressed when you see you work, just keep pile them up. Let's say that I get so frustrated and I want to do a lot of things, but I can't do it. And I can't force myself to do it because I might get hurt worse. I still can't force myself to do too much. I just try to just do a little bit. I thank you guys for watching our videos. God bless every one of you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Well, thanks for watching our video. God bless everyone, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.